Hey guys, so we have received our Hyundai Elantra cabin filter, and that's what I'm gonna unbox now, and I will also show you how to fit that in your car. So I've ordered this one specific for Hyundai Elantra 2024 preferred version cabin air filter H1, and this is how it is, so you can check, and you can order for your model as well if you want. So I hope I have ordered the correct model, and this is how it is. It says scan the code with the Google app, enjoy ultra VIP after sales service. So yeah, let's go to the car and see how it needs to be replaced. So yeah, this is the version. I guess this is the perfect for my model CAF727. So you need to match this one. So now we need to release this hinges on both the sides. Now one is released, and we need to release the other one. Yeah, now this one is out. Now this one is out. So it's quite complicated sometimes. Yeah, they were out. Yeah, so what we'll do, we just take this one now. So this was the default one, and it says for Hyundai and Kia. Now we'll just try to pull this out. Now make sure to see the arrow. Where is the airflow arrow? So it says the airflow direction is at the bottom. Now see the condition of the old one. This is the old one. It's quite bad for now with all this. Damn, it's bad. So this one says the airflow directions should be down, and even we have selected this airflow down. What we'll do, we'll now put this one inside. Please make sure that both the sizes are correct. Now we'll just push this one inside like this. Yeah, see, it fits perfectly. Now we'll put the door inside again. So the door goes something like this. Make sure the door fits correctly, and then we'll put our glove box again. So this is how you need to put it. We first put the hinges inside, and then just push this one. It's automatic. See, it goes automatically. Yep, it is done. So this is how you fit your air cabin filter.